My name's Alfred Winfrey. And for 30 years I've been finding and taming misbehaving public birds. It's a weird profession, I must say. But today we're in Overland Park at the super target where there's been birds that have been misbehaving for over 120 years, even before the target was here. So today we're going to tame them. Here with my anonymous assistant director, who would like to stay anonymous because, I don't know who they are. Oh!
I saw him right here in this tree.
Okay, you saw
And
him.
next I knew, they were headed towards that tree by the light post. I'll go get
Let's
a
go
head
check
start.
it out. Let's go check it out. No, okay. My assistant director may seem a little crazy, but trust me, he's normal-ish. You get to know him. His name is Luis Gutierrez! And the cameraman has been a long friend of mine. His name is Horsey. And so, okay, so apparently he's saying,
They're in that tree.
oh,
Major funding of this program is provided by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by the annual financial support from viewers like you.